Hello, traders. Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, where we keep trading simple, smart, and safe. In today's video, I'm sharing a powerful 1-minute pocket option reversal strategy that even complete beginners can easily follow. This strategy uses only 3 free indicators in their default settings: ZigZag default setting, Donchian Channel 20-period default setting, and RSI 14 with 70 and 30 levels, to catch high-probability market reversals with clear, simple rules. No guessing, no manual drawing, no complicated setup. In this video, you will learn when to take a buy trade, when to take a sell trade, how to avoid bad market conditions, and how to trade this strategy safely on 1-minute charts. A quick reminder before we begin. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk, so always practice on a demo account and manage your risk properly. Now let's move straight to the exact trading rules. Sell trade rules. Reversal down. First, wait for the price to touch the upper Donchian channel. This area acts as your automatic resistance. Next, check the ZigZag indicator. You must see a new swing high at the top. This confirms the market has reached an exhaustion point. Now look at the RSI. If the RSI is above 70 or turning down from 70, the market is overbought. Now the most important part, the candle. Wait for a candle with a long upper wick near the upper band. This shows strong rejection from the top. After this, wait for one bearish confirmation candle. Entry, enter, sell on the next candle. Expiry, use 2-minute expiry, or you may use 1 minute only in fast markets. Buy trade rules. Reversal up. First, price must touch the lower Donchian channel. This acts as your automatic support area. Now check the ZigZag indicator. You must see a new swing low at the bottom. Next, look at the RSI. If RSI is below 30 or turns upward from 30, the market is oversold. Again, the most important part is the candle. Wait for a candle with a long lower wick near the lower band. This shows buyers are pushing price upward. After this, wait for one bullish confirmation candle. Entry, enter buy on the next candle. Expiry, use 2-minute expiry, or 1 minute for strong bounce moves. Avoid trading when the market is moving very fast. During high-impact news, candles are very large without wicks. RSI stays above 70 or below 30 for a long time. Price is in the middle of the Donchian channel. Only trade when the market is clean, slow, and controlled. Always remember, practice on demo first. Take one trade at a time. Never overtrade. Keep emotions under control. To help you trade this strategy without confusion, I've created a free step-by-step checklist PDF for you. Download it now from the Telegram link in the description and keep it open while trading for better accuracy. Now, I'll show you live chart examples step by step, so you can see exactly how this strategy works in real market conditions. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's move to the live trading examples. First, the price reached the upper Donchian channel, showing a strong resistance zone. At the same time, the ZigZag formed a fresh top, telling us the upward move was getting weak. Now look at the RSI. It touched the 70 level and then started to turn downward. This showed that buying strength was fading. Finally, a candle with a long upper wick appeared near the resistance, showing clear rejection from the top. After one bearish confirmation candle closed, we entered the sell trade on the next candle with a 2-minute expiry. After placing the sell trade, the price made a small upward move for a few seconds, which is normal in reversals, but very quickly, the market failed to make a new high. Sellers started to take control, and the candles began to move away from the resistance zone. At this stage, we simply stayed calm, trusted the setup, and did not interfere with the trade. By the end of the 2-minute expiry, the price stayed below our entry level, and the trade closed in profit. First, price came down and touched the lower Donchian channel, marking a strong support zone. At the same time, the ZigZag formed a fresh bottom, showing the downward move was losing strength. Now look at the RSI. It was near the 30 level and starting to turn upward, which signals selling pressure is fading. Then we got the best confirmation. A candle with a clear lower wick near support, showing buyers are stepping in. After one bullish confirmation candle, we entered the buy on the next candle with a 2-minute expiry. Once the buy was placed, the market didn't rush upward immediately. And that's exactly what disciplined traders expect. For a few moments, price moved slow and tight, testing whether buyers were strong enough to defend the support. This phase is not about prediction. It is about holding confidence in your confirmation. Very soon, small green candles began to appear, showing that control was quietly shifting from sellers to buyers. By the end of the 2-minute expiry, the price stayed above our entry level, and the buy trade closed in profit. So traders, that's exactly how this ZigZag plus Donchian Channel plus RSI reversal strategy works step by step on the 1-minute time frame. Remember, we are not chasing the market. We are waiting for the market to come to our level with confirmation. To make this even easier for you, don't forget to download the free step-by-step checklist PDF from the Telegram link in the description and keep it open while trading. It will help you avoid mistakes and stay disciplined. If you learned something useful from this video, like this video to support the channel. Subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies for more real, practical trading setups, and join our Telegram channel for free PDFs, updates, and daily strategy content. Thank you for watching, traders.